Hello guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a newsletter pop-up in your Shopify store. So to do this, it's pretty simple. Here in our Shopify store, we want to go to apps, and then we'll have to search up Privy. So Privy is the app that we're gonna use and import to our Shopify store for, as you can see, email pop-ups and many much more. So let's just wait for it to install right here. So you can do it for $12 a month. There's also a free trial if you want to do so. So here it's a all-in-one e-commerce platform to grow with your sales, pop-ups, and email SMS marketing. So this is going to be the pricing for this. You have your basic convert plan, your convert plan, starter plan, and growth plan. So this can manage up to more increasingly a lot more emails. So this is limited to 10,000 monthly page views. So this has more and more and more. So there's also going to be a 15-day free trial, of course, once you get these. So here you can install it now. So once it's done, you'll have to set it up. So here you'll have to confirm your business name, phone number. So let's just skip that. I'm just going to show you how it works. So here you can set up your account. So here store name is going to be dinosaur for some reason. No phone number. Clothing is just sell or shirts, let's just say. Next, then you have to upload your images and then send email. So what's most important to you is send my email first, set up automation, grow my list. So let's get started right here. So there you go. Set up your first campaign. You can do a new text message or a new email once people go to your Shopify store. And there you go, guys. If this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.